Music that's made of listening. Well, what does that mean? Music surely is made of notes, it's made of sounds that human beings are making. Well, kind of, but at a deeper level, it's made of the relationships that are happening between the individuals in a group, whether that's a string quartet or a jazz trio or even an orchestra. In fact, the sounds that we hear are the product of the ways that these groups of human beings are listening to one another. And that involves us as an audience, just as it involves them on stage as performers. In this lecture, I want to get as deep as we can into the fabric of how music ensembles work with one another, how they listen to each other, not only with their ears, by the way, but with their whole listening bodies and the way that vibrations are playing with them and with their instruments, whether that's a quartet or a jazz ensemble, and how we, as an audience too, are part of this extended circle of listening that really makes a memorable musical performance. Music is listening.